Namaste and good morning everyone present here. I am Renuja Mainali from grade 10 A to stand before you to give a short presentation on recently held excursion of grade 10 on Botanical Garden. Botanical Garden is a scientifically managed well collection of all living plants maintained for research, education and conservation. In Botanical Garden there is a plants which is preciously documented by its scientific name, family and geographical origin. In Botanical Garden there is a plants cultivated through microclimate. There is a plants that is cultivated through microclimates to mimic their natural habitat throughout the globe. There is also a medicinal section. Example, a plant like floral antibacterial plant, neem tree. In conclusion, Botanical Garden is a vital scientific sanctuary that preserve plants and biodiversity throughout the research. Thank you. Have a nice day.